What you got there? What's this? What do you say, Luke? Can you say hello?
This.
Is it for me? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. This is Luke's new big thing. Oh, thank you. Is to put anything down on the floor and step on it. Or are you gonna put it back after stepping on it? Be careful of pie pans at our house. Can you put it back, please? Can you put it back? Please put it back. Uh-oh. Please put it back. Thank you. Thank you. And close the cabinet, please. Thank you. Yay. Good. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Oh, Mommy's keys. Oh, there they go. Shoes. Shoes. What are those? Shoes. Can I have those? Oh, can I have them? Can I have them? Luke, can Mommy have them, please? Can I have them? Can I have them, please? Can Mommy have them? Oh, can you pick them up, please, and give them to me? Thank you. Oh, he's reluctant. Can I have them? Please? Please? Thank you. Okay, no, these are going to go up high, so nothing happens to them. Did I forget to zip you up? You looking at shoes? You looking at the pile of shoes? Shoes? Shoes?